how to buy XTERIO token. So this token came under the symbol of XTER. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. So before going on buy this token, make sure to check the TheRichTech account and keep following their updates about this token and go and engage with their community. As you can see, they have a big community here. They have 561.5 thousand followers. So as you can see, this token, it's available on HTX. As you can see, if you click on this post, deposit XTER up to 100% of the only XTER available. So as you can see, deposit XTER earn up to 100%. So if you go to HTX, as you can see, open their exchange website. So if you go and click here and type XTER, or just go back to their tweet and copy their name and paste it here. As you can see, search for it. As you can see, this is it, the pair of XTR to USDT. Now click on it. Now what you need to do here, just log into your account, and now you can buy this token from here, from this buy section. What you need to do, select the limit or the market. If you select the limit, just type how much you want to buy. As you can see here, you will see the total that will pay, and after that click on buy. So if you select the market, drag this here, to set how much a percentage. If you drag it, you will see the percentage of USDT that you have an account that you will be used to buy this token. After that, click on buy and you will buy this token on your account. So if you want to buy from their official website, what you need to do, just click on their link that they include their X account here. So after you click on it, you will see this page. Now click on claim and stake XTER. So after you click on it, you will be redirected to xter.io. What you need to do, just accept this. And after that, click on sign in. Now select your wallet from here. For example, I will select the MetaMask. Now I will select the MetaMask again. What you need to do here first, log into your account or to your wallet, sorry. So after that, connect your wallet, click on connect. And now wait a few seconds. And now just click on confirm. So after that, as you can see, you will be able to buy this token from here. So you can stake an amount. So if you want to stake 1,000, 1 million, so whatever you want. So that click on stake and you will be able to buy this token from their official website. So this is how to buy XTER token. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to the next video.